Hi everyone, Miss Nicole here, and we're going to read Moby Shinobi, Ninja in the Kitchen by Luke Flowers. Hiya! Hey! Welcome to my street. My ninja moves cannot be beat. Toss, hop, twist. I can kick through brick. Swish, slice, flip. Watch my ninja trick. Zoom, leap, catch. Help is always near. Run, zip, zip. Wait, what is that I hear? Papa Peppy, I heard your shout. My ninja skills can help you out. My pizza won the golden slice. Now extra hands would be quite nice. Throw the pizza dough in the air, then spin it fast, but please take care. Moby thinks of his ninja throw. He grabs the balls of pizza dough. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? Twist, toss, splat, squish. Oh my goodness, what did you do? Let's find a different job for you. Jeff, the chef, needs a little rest. His many skills make us the best. Cut up the pizzas nice and neat. Hurry, before they lose their heat. Moby thinks of a ninja sword. He leaps up to the cutting board. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen now? Swish, slice, crash, plop. Eek! You cut my table in two. Let's find a different job for you. Waitress Wanda could use a break. She works so hard that her feet ache. Please take the orders from the pile, then serve the people with a smile. Moby thinks of how ninjas fly. He stacks the pizza pans up high. Oh no, what could possibly go wrong? Zoom, flip, hey, whoa! Yikes! There are frowns on every face. Maybe Pepe's is not your place. I did my ninja best, you see. I wish there was a job for me. In the back, Moby hears a plink. A shiny key fell down the sink. My secret sauce is locked up tight. We cannot make the pizzas right. Do not worry about the key. You have a super ninja, me. Moby thinks of a super kick. He knows the perfect ninja trick. Kick, clank, pop, yeah! Thank you, Moby. Enjoy your pie. I love to help my friends. Goodbye!